the committee and proceeding our conference. Milan, it's for you.
Thank you.
So, with pleasure, in conclusion, I would like to greet all the participants of the symposium, to wish you good work and good mood and good friends. Thank you very much. And now my presentation. Today my presentation is dedicated to theoretical and empirical perspectives of social projects. I would like to present the preliminary result of the study. Social project development and implementation is an essential element of managing sustainable development in any country. In this regard, it is of vital importance to carry out both theoretical and applied research in community development as a form of social activity of the economic entirety and is a process of implementation of social innovation. In our view, a contradictory situation in the region of Russia has occurred due to an imbalance between the potential and the results of social and economic development. Outstanding innovative ideas come about which can provide effective solution of social problems. State structures with a fixed social functionality are formed. There is proven experience in project implementation by the business elite. An example is the positive dynamic of social project implementation by the largest Russian company during the period from 2004 to 2010. You can see that slide. In our study, we believe that the development and implementation of social projects is a system of multilateral and multi-level cooperation of representatives of business structures, government, and civil society, who permanently change their role under the influence of a lot of trends. However, a clever interaction between the key participants in the social and economic processes is missing, thus not allowed to reach the full potential of each participant. Action of public authorities, business structure, and civil society institutions are often spontaneous, causing short-term isolated effects not related to the general concept of the strategic development of the region and the country as a whole. The need to study the characteristic of social project is caused by profound structural transformation of all social relations associated with the post-industrial transition. In our opinion, a number of structural changes that have a major impact of social practice should be highlighted. We use the structure of root definition from the soft system methodology by Checkland as a tool to organize and record the empiric data. A root definition reflected a particular point of view on the process, the vision of the system by a party or parties. This is a clear and concise description of the process vision through the methodology structural elements. To structure the characteristic of social project, we suggest using the following implementation of root definition. You can see it at the slide. Clients, actors, process of transformation, outlook, owners, and factor in the environment. So, information structured with consideration of all the foregoing elements, on the one hand, makes the report concise, and on the other hand, quite amply reveals the position of the process party. This table. So, the empirical evidence derived from the study has enabled us to identify the sore points of the process. At first, mistrust and lack coordination of participants, search for opinion for cooperation, distribution of responsibility. The second, the need for creation of similar public policy, regulatory, legislative, tax regulation and procedures. Third, lack of social order, customs not ready, lack of customs interests. Fourth, absence of effective institutions for social project preparation and implementation, need for training personnel. And finally, lack of awareness, lack of promotion and popularization of social activity, ideas, project initiative. Thank you very much.
Vrlo dobre, predstavljati vas moju prezentaciju po-angliski. Je dobre? Okay. I have a nice picture for you. Dobrodošli, dame i gospodo. Dobro jutro. Ladies and gentlemen, today I do a presentation which is based on an empirical research which was done in Hungary and Slovakia, in two border towns. And before my presentation, I would like to make an announcement. I am very pleased to be here because we signed our joint cooperation contract finally. This signing had a long history, but we are pleased that today we were able to sign this contract. And this contract had a history, 3 years history, with Professor Milan Nikolic. We published 2 books in English, including Serbia, with 6 other Eastern European countries, including Hungary, Serbia, Slovakia, Croatia, Romania, Estonia, and Poland. And a smaller summary plus a big book. And now we continue this research, and we hope we can publish again in the near future other book. No, that was my so-called introduction about our long-term cooperation. This publication is made 6 people from 2 universities, from my university and other university in Slovakia. Before entering into the detail, let me drive your attention to the latest publication of the International Labour Organization. International Labour Organization is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, and just now published a book about the employment on the global level. The message is not the best. Firstly, unemployment increasing. Good news, if a country has a good export industry, in this industry the unemployment is quite low. This is the second point. Unfortunately, because of the crisis, the corporations today, in comparison with the years when the business ran very well, they are not ready to invest too much. Job creation is quite low. Last but not least, this is a bad message. Youth, young people, remain particularly affected by the crisis. Young people unemployment. In the case of the reconciliation of the work-private life, more than half of the respondents think that the more flexible working hours would be more suitable needs. You know, for example, flexible working time. They would like to have a fixed work in flexible form. Last but not least, some conclusion. According to our research result, respondents in the sample clearly favor the traditional employment. They like the 8-hour works with regular salary. They don't like, one day to work, next day. But, the crisis created that time, that situation that many companies can afford that to employ the people only part-time way. This is the biggest conclusion that, for example, the Slovakian population were more pessimistic than the Hungarians because the education level regarding the atypical employment, the educational levels was lower than the Hungarian side. If he had other samples, probably the results would be different. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in finalizing phases of our research. Within 2 months, we will have more complex report, but we also interviewed the companies. We will compare that, for example, the company maybe prefer the atypical employment. People doesn't prefer the atypical employment. Government also would like to create such a legal environment where it's possible to employ more atypical employment. Ladies and gentlemen, mnogo hvala na pažnji. Many thanks for your attention for this small presentation. I hope next time we can give you a more robust result of this research. Thank you very much. Hvala lepo.
Also, if there are any questions for the presenter? It is my great pleasure to be here again with my friends from Mihailo Pupin University in Zrenjanin. This is the 3rd year that I'm coming to Zrenjanin on this international conference. And some of you who have been here for the last 2 years might expect the same format that I did in the previous 2, but I'm going to surprise you. No, I'm in the regular, so-called normal format of the presentation today. Not because I suddenly became serious, but I just decided to change. So I'm going to, just like my colleague Larissa, I'm going to take half a minute to tell you a little bit about my school, the place where I'm coming from. It's called Zagrebačka škola ekonomije and managementa, Zagreb School of Economics and Management, located in Zagreb, Croatia, founded in 2002. For several consecutive years, pronounced as the best business school in the region by the Edu Universal ranking criteria. But the biggest accomplishment is the success of the school. Finally, in 10 days ago, we got the formal